Thutha wa Minister Moses Masika wetanga kana thutha wa mundu gwitwo Moses Kuria gucunge muhera ukorwo agikinyia mbere ya kamiti ya mwanya muthenya wa umuthi na uria ni Minister wa igada na mwonjoria guku bururi-ini nake Minister kana nake murunawe Minister wa uremi guku bururi-ini Mithika Linturi niekenyerie mbere ya kamiti iyo niguo ukorwo gicokia ciuria itiganite ona makiria iria ithiete na mbere na kugumira sekta ya uremi guku bururi-ini gukiri uguo iria giki Linturi ni atariria ati nimenyititie muthiori gutigirira ati arimi ni makorwo makigunika na wira wao uko akiuga ati thirikari ya President William Ruto na ithiete na mbere na kunyitia muthiori gutigirira ati gutiri undu wahitana
is through cabinet direction out of a decision that was made in a cabinet meeting. I was authorized to issue permits to bring various commodities into the country to try and bring down the cost of food in the country. And to that effect, Mr. Speaker, the imports I authorized are as follows. We have the white shelled maize, a quantity of 1.4 million metric tons, which should be on 90 kilogram bags. We have the other second commodity, which is white milled rice, where I got authority to bring in 1.1 million metric tons, packaged on 50 kilogram bags. Mr. Speaker, lastly, is that my ministry was also authorized to issue permits to bring in 280,000 metric tons of sugar of 50 kilogram bags. Mr. Speaker, in response to question B, which is the number of companies which applied for pre-qualification and to bring these items, Mr. Speaker, my answer is as follows. Mr. Speaker, we did advertise for expression of interest for those people that wanted to participate in this particular assignment, recognizing the fact that government is not spending a single coin into this, and we were trying to get private sector participation in them bringing the cost of food for purposes of ensuring that we had many participants and for transparency. I did cause
ucio ni Minister wa uremi guku bururi-ini Mithika Linturi na haria gwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya mwanya ya Senate.